Olunye usuku lokubhideka kwabahlali. Amapolisa ebekwindawo zonke. Abantwana besikolo nabo bachaphazelekile.
Soze siyamkela into abantu bavalelwe bangakwazi ukuphangela. Abazali bethu impula zikaJaco mampela abahamba bayokuphangela bephangelela abantwana babo. Bazawutsalelwa imali ngenxa yezigibela mkhuba ezicimba into yokuba kufuneka zona zibe necontrol over abantu kwisociety.
Ichaphaza loluqhankqalazo liyabonakala.
Kodwa ke into ukuba kutshiswa izitrato, kuvalwa izibhedlele, kuvalwa indawo zosebenza, kuqhawe imoto zabantu bakwethu, kuqhawe imoto zebusinesses, asoze siyamkela apha eNelson Mandela.
Iinkqubo zikaTransnet kulo masipala zikhe zaphantsi koxinzelelo.
The taxi strikes and associated protests that started yesterday in Gqeberha did have an impact on both terminal operations as well as marine operations in the port of Port Elizabeth. With the start of the incident, Transnet immediately activated its business continuity plans and as a result of that was able to contain the negative impact on port operations.
Akukacaci ukuba luyaqhubeka kusini nawo lukwayimbo ngomso. Kubanjwe abarhanelwa abasixhenxe ngezityholo zokonakalisa izakhiwo ezingundoqo. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, ndingo-Anda Nqonji, eGqeberha.
Kusenjalo, izakhamuzi zasentabazwe eHarrismith ebeziBhikisha zizame ukuvala umgwaqo onguthelawayeka u-N3. Zithi zifuna ukukhishwa ngaphansi komasipala iMaluto Aphofong eFree State ngenxa yokuthi kunzima kakhulu ukuthola izidingonqangi.
La ngihlala khona kusemkhukhwini anginamanzi and then nempompi lezi abasakhele zona ziphelelwa amanzi, siswela amanzi.
iHarrismith ayimane yimelo okungcono sikwazi ukuthi sihlale sizazi ukuthi into zethu zela ayibuyi iHarrismith.
Sekuboshwe abantu abangama-38 kusukela kuqale Lombhikisho. Izakhamuzi zifuna ukukhuluma nomengameli.
Kakhulu sifuna uPresident Ramaphosa ezazosi-addressa nomama uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma kwi-Cocta. They must come here to Indabazo ngoba we want to delink nekwaqwa. That's our message.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi bagcine bekhululiwe abebesolwa ngokususa umbhikisho onodlame eMahikeng ngenxa yokwentuleka kobufakazi. Izakhamuzi bezikhala ngongahlinzekwa ngezidingonqangi kanye nokuthengiswa kwezakhiwo zendawo ezakhiwa khathi kusaphethe uhulumeni wasebophuthatswana.
The case against Tshepiso Monyaje was postponed to 25 June 2021 for further investigations and he was granted 500 rands bail.
Ngaphandle kwenkantolo bekunabalandeli ababezokweseka abasolwa.
You cannot arrest a person whilst you don't have an evidence.
Imgwaqo isivuliwe eMahikeng.